Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert a binary number to a octal number. If you are new in this channel, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get started. Initially we split the binary group from the right side into 3-digit segment. Then we apply a formula to each group and sum the result where the binary digit is 1. Position with a 0 would be ignored. Let's move on to the example. Split a 3-digit segment from the binary group. Then we put it under the formula. Now adding them up where the binary digit is 1. 0 would be ignored. So the octal digit of this segment is 7. Next we take another 3-digit segment and apply the same formula. Adding them up where it's 1. As like 0 would be ignored. The octal digit of this segment is 5. Again split a 3-digit segment. Then put it under the formula series number. Adding them up where it's 1. 0 would be ignored. The octal digit of this segment is 6. So the octal number of this binary code is 657.